everyone, welcome to your English class. So students, as your periodic tests are coming soon, they are about to come, so today we will do some revision. Okay, so today this is your revision test 3 and today is 22 June 2021. Yes, and this is your revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2 of Fantasia book. Chapter 1 is your poem I Can, and chapter 2 is your story The Hare and the Tortoise. Yes, so we will start. This is your question first. Complete the sentence. So you have to complete this. I can brush my teeth and wear my what? Shoelace, frock, socks, your shoes, and wear my socks according to the poem. Okay, the rhyming word of hand is, what is the rhyming word of hand? Is this band, cry, hair, or fair? What is the answer? Think about this. Very right. Band. Hand, band. Now third one is, complete this beta. T-O, now dash, T-I-S-E. So you have to fill proper letter in this empty fill-up. Is this O-T? Is this R-O? Respectively, U-R or T-E? What is the correct letter? So firstly think about the spelling. Which spelling is this? Yes, this is tortoise. So for this, the correct answer is R-O. R and O. So this is your correct answer. Now next is S-C-K dash. What is this? Which spelling is this? Yes, this is socks. So for this, O and S. So the correct spelling is option D. Yes, you have to complete this type of questions like this. Now next is F-R-C-S. Now which is the correct letter? O-K, frogs. C-C, no, this is wrong. R-O, again wrong. S-R, no spelling, no meaning. So correct is O-K, frogs. Now sixth one is, the tortoise won the race. This is one statement. As I told you in our last class, this is one statement. So for this you have to choose one option, true or false. So is this correct or wrong? The tortoise won the race. Yes, it's true. Tortoise won the race now. Now come to next question. The meaning of cheer is joyful shout. Is this correct or wrong? The meaning of cheer is joyful shout. Yes, it's true. The correct spelling of this is, what is this? This picture is of, is this CMBO? Is this MOCB? Or COMB? Or BOCM? What is this? What is the correct spelling of this picture? Firstly, tell me, the picture is of com, right? So what is the correct spelling? Think about among these options. You have to choose one. Yeah, right. This is COMB, com. Right. So next is, the dash was left far behind. So fill in the blanks. You have to fill the correct option. The dash was left far behind. The animal, the hare, the tortoise, the lion. Think about, yes. From this story, the hare and the tortoise, who was left far behind? Yes, right. The tortoise was left far behind. Now come to the last question. Identify the picture. This is one picture, so you have to identify what is this. Is this tap? Is this soap? Is this shoes or bed? What is this? It's very easy. You have to identify which picture is this. Is this tap? Picture of tap? Picture of soap or shoes or bed? What is this? Very right. Very correct answer. This is soap. Yes, this is soap. So class, this is your revision test 3 and this is from chapter 1 and chapter 2 of your book Fantasia. Right. So do this as your practice for periodic test PT1. Fine. So okay kids, bye bye.